are we, Dan?
I have no idea.
We're actually in a place called Llyn Crafnant, which is a reservoir just up the side of the valley from the town of Llanrwst in the Conwy Valley. This is where we started our hike. We were planning to camp one night, head up to Carnedd Llewelyn and then come back down to the car. It'll be about 35k hiking once we've done over the 2 days. It's really wet. It has rained a lot recently. I mean, it rains a lot in Wales anyway, but it's rained a lot even for Wales, so it's quite wet underfoot. Here we're crossing from Llyn Crafnant over to Llyn Llewelyn. Here's some recently cut plantation. I actually come from this part of Wales, but I have never been up this mountain, so I'm going to make up for that on this trip. What I did learn about was an industrial accident that happened over 100 years ago in Cwm Eigiau, which is this valley we're walking into now. The town of Dolgarrog down the valley was inundated by a breached dam, which washed away several houses, killed quite a few people. We all learn about it in primary school. As with much of Wales, this landscape isn't spared the evidence of historical industrial activity. It's difficult to believe that this really peaceful place was once a hive of activity, employing probably dozens of people in the quarrying and the other activity here. Now, instead of industry, we have the wild horses of the Carneddau and nature slowly taking back the valley. We started the second day at around 400 metres. We had to climb to around 1,045 metres to get to the top of Carnedd Llewelyn. Carnedd Llewelyn is Wales's third highest mountain. It's pretty high as mountains go around here. As we got further up, higher elevation, the wind picked up and it got quite a lot colder. It wasn't long before there was snow on the ground. What had begun as a pleasant, warm, sunny day down in the lower parts of the valley now turned into something quite challenging. Strong winds, pretty cold. like I said, I haven't climbed this mountain before, and I wasn't aware that there's storm shelter was up there. It was a nice stone hut with a roof, and kept us out of the wind while we had our lunch. Pretty nice. So that was my hike up Carnedd Llewelyn with my friend Dan over 2 days. It was 35k, God knows how many metres of climbing. It was a tough hike, but we really enjoyed it and hoping to do more of those in the future. Where are we, Dan?
Llyn Crafnant. Finished.
Tired.